Hari Om everyone. In today's class, we'll be taking tabletop as the peak posture. So we have Akansha ji with us who will be demonstrating the posture to you. So we are into Vajrasana. From here, we'll place the hands down, elbows close to the knees. Now inhale, slowly rise up into tabletop position. Now you can adjust yourself so that you can take your wrist and shoulders in one line, your knee and buttock in one line. Okay, open them wide, tuck the toes. Now from here, inhale, look up, arch your back. And exhale, first the head, then the upper back, and then the lower back. Try to isolate this. We'll move like this 3 times. Inhale, lift your heart up, look up towards the sky, and as you exhale, first the head, then the upper back, and then the lower back down. Inhale, and exhale, hunch your back. Inhale, look up towards the sky. We'll be staying here and stretching the front side of the body here for 3, 2, and 1. As you exhale, slowly forehead down, hunch your back, and you're stretching the back side of your body for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly neutral spine. Exhale, sit back to Vajrasana. Inhale, slowly rise yourself into tabletop position. Make sure again that your shoulder wrist is in one line, your knee and your pelvic is in one line. Now the next movement, inhale, we're going to lift the left leg up. Look up towards the sky. Now exhale, bring the knees closer to the forehead. Protraction, push yourself away. Inhale, rise up. And exhale, slowly down. Inhale up, stretching the hip flexors. And as you exhale, protract, engaging the core. One more time, inhale up. Now we're going to hold here for 3 deep breaths. Keep your facials relaxed. Smile, look up. And we're going to stay here for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly knees down, closer to the forehead, hunch your back. Press the shoulders harder, fingertips harder. Let's stay here for 3, engaging the core, 2, and 1. Slowly drop your knees down, untuck the toes, sit into Vajrasana. Inhale, coming into tabletop position. We'll start with the right arm first. Inhale, rise your arms up, drishti at your thumb. Exhale, thread your arm under the left one. Place your shoulders down. Now inhale, rise your left arm up, and exhale, if you can, grab the back. Yes. Now keep pressing your shoulders down, your right shoulders back. Look up, relax here, breathe. Stretch your upper back for 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, slowly place the hands back into push-up position and rise up. Look up at your palm and exhale down. So this is a twisting variation into the tabletop position, sitting back into Vajrasana. Inhale, slowly come into tabletop. Exhale here. Now inhale, right arm, left leg back, alternate limbs. This is a balancing pose. Now exhale, elbows and knees down. Inhale, open, and exhale, flex. Inhale, extend. Exhale, flex. One more time. Inhale, up. Staying here for 5, 4. Press the fingers hard. 3, 2, and 1. Now elbows to the knees. Let's stay here for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly hands down, tabletop position. This is an extension and flexion variation. So from here, slowly exhale back into Vajrasana. Exhale here. Now inhale, we'll start making huge circles from our left leg. Start moving. 1. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, and exhale. Make sure that your upper body stays the same. Pressing your fingers hard, shoulders stable, and depress down. And slowly, let's go 5 times anti-clockwise. For the count of 5, opposite direction. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, release, relax. Slowly sit back down. Repeat the same action from the opposite side.